Hey! Don't ever try to kill!
My baby!
I'm sorry!
No, that doesn't like me in this house. No, that won't go on my baby.
If you try to get, you don't like me. You are not my child. Say what? Baby,
my stomach.
I'm sorry. I'm back to the village.
Baby, my stomach.
Mind yourself. Mind yourself. Mind yourself.
Call the doctor. Let's go to the hospital. Call the doctor.
Mind yourself! Mind yourself, people! Don't look! I'm a son. Don't get me angry! Let me sorry, okay? People! How many times I call you? Mind yourself! Mind yourself!
Baby!
Sorry.
Baby, I can't breathe. Your baby friends ready to go and smoke.
Let me call the hospital, okay? Let me call the hospital. Baby, you see what you have cost? People? Look, shut up! Look! If anything happens to her, you don't like me. Now leave me! Get out from here! Hello? Yes. Dr. Kule? Yes, it's General Donald. Come to my house immediately! Yes, it's important. I'm serious now, please. Yes, bring the ambulance, yes. It's urgent. Thank you. Look, you're getting me angry, people. You're getting me angry. Okay. Alright. You're getting me pissed off.
Let's go. This balloon.
Favor, look, I was texting your grandma. Don't worry, you should have. I was getting granted. Thank you.
Baby, I have told you to send this girl to the village.
Sorry, my love.
She doesn't like me in this house. You're pregnant, baby. Send me to
More balloons.
It's not what you think. Call the doctor!
Are you stupid? Do I look like a joke to you? Eunice?
This is what is called technology.
So you've been deceiving me with a balloon? I'm talking to you, are you mad? Eunice? You've been lying to a general in the Nigerian army with a balloon?
The thing is that I was pregnant, but my baby is in the hospital. I have delivered, and the doctor said I should keep the baby in the hospital, that I should bring money for osmosis, division, triangle, and then mathematical element. Yes.
So all the money I've been sending for antenatal has been a joke.
I'm giving birth. I wanted to collect the money.
Yes. And division. Everything. Even the baby and baby. Yes.
How long have you known about this? So my daughter knows that I don't have a child, and me, I don't know. You make me look
How
like
did you find out? How did you find out I'm not pregnant?
I want to go inside to come. I noticed that the baby was balloon. Yes. I can't tell her that she was if I stay that she'll cry. That's why I feel so today. I just realized to say it.
See, he's getting a witch. Look at this family. You're miserable in the crib.
So grandfather is missing.
What is this? Why are you shouting at me? Stop shouting. Wait. Hold on. You think I don't know your plan? Your plan is for you to win everything to favor. Because I'm not giving birth. I've been married for 5 good years. Not even
village, he brought you to the city. Brought you to my barracks. Be taking care of
What
you.
have you done that another man has not done? Eh? You have done everything, but you refuse to put something in here. Everything you leave me.
Because you're barren.
I'm not.
Because you have a womb inside of you. This is my child. It means I am fertile. You don't have a womb inside of you.
See, it's your fault. Because you're always in trouble soon. I want to be pregnant. Why did you come back? I'm your wife. I'm your secret. Oh.
Nato.
Babe.
I kick your head. Bomb glass. Idiot.
No!
Babe, I will squeeze your mouth.
You're not squeezing me!
Let me catch you in this place again. Animal. Jesus Christ. It's okay. Favor, thank you, okay? Thank you so much. I'll make it up to you.
The ship was many balloons everywhere. Balloon. Let's see balloon everywhere. In this house.
Thank you, okay? Thank you.